out there, guys? It is Saturday, and what's today, the 10th? Out in my 2018 Chevy Colorado. I've been driving it for about 2 weeks now, approximately. Who's keeping track? I've been very comfortable with it. Drives great. It's got plenty of power. It's got an 8-speed automatic, so it seems to always be in the right gear. So first thing I'm going to show you is the shifter on this, because it only has low and drive. In other words, L and D, reverse and park. Where the Tacoma had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then drive. So you can actually manually lock it into 2, 3, 4, like I would drive around with 4 all the time. Off-roading, I'd kick it down to 2, so it only shifts 1, 2. There's a way to do this in this truck, and I'll show you how right now. On the shifting, if you want to shift this manually, you go into low, and from low you shift it with this little switch right here, up and down, ding 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 ding. So on the dash it's showing right there, I'm in low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll switch, it'll shift automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stay in 5, or it'll shift 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? So like off-roading, I'd probably, typically I would stay in 2, but with these gear ratios, I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. Also, I'm at 1,000 miles. Let's see. Shut up. Turn that off. There's a way to change the dash display here. I'm still figuring that out. Let's see. Info. Alright, so here's the view from the driver's seat. As you can see, I've got my tire pressures there. Tire pressures displayed. Oil pressure. Transmission fluid temp. Fuel economy, mileage. Oh, also, if you look down here, you see this V6. That shows the engine running right now is running in V6. But when you come to a coast, like coasting to a stop, it'll go to V4. So that's probably how it's a way to save fuel. I think my old Super Duty used to do that on the V10. I've got the seat folded down in the back so I can put all my stuff back there. That's what the back seat's for in this truck. There goes a white Colorado. See, I almost got a white Colorado. But since I've had nothing but white trucks in the last 20 years, I figure I'd go with a silver this time. So, this is it. Here, put it into drive. Kick the brake off over here. Turn on the radio,